Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, wanna see the CCTV footage of the Portmore Pines robbery. And many people, I say, boy, the man them did never have to lose them life and them thing there. I am gonna play the footage one more time and then me I go talk about this. Now, all me can say about this, it's a straight inside job. And if the police them don't see that, I don't know what else to say. I mean, you see the two people them walking casually and the man them dead I wait upon them and no say, yo, a $5 million in a each bag. And for the kind of money them I walk with, them very casual, them a talk, and them not have no form of security upon them things. So them do not look aware. Like, yo. But this thing here, from what I see, it's an inside job. And me have mixed feeling upon this, cause Maximum Maxine say me I advocate for crime, but I am not. I would rather they take the money and not murder anybody. So if we have two evils in Jamaica, I rather the man them rob some money rather than them a murder off each other and a murder innocent people. I know it's a cliche, and enough people now go agree with my opinion. But if me have two evil in front of me, I want the lesser of the two evils. So I rather the man them look some food, cause we don't see how Jamaica stay. Everybody selfish, greedy. The rich man them have all of the link. And then the rest of man them are also, you can't see them two man there. We go for that, you see say the man them hungry. The man them hungry. That's why them go for the food. So, you know what I'm saying? And them never joke the people them when them in at the store. So them have to catch the people them off guard, have to wake them up and make them drop the thing. You see what I'm saying? So I just saw it go, unfortunately. Cause if them going out the store with it, are too much problem that. So we have to get that outside. And that's what they did. Yo, that's the way I feel about it. I'm glad them get the money. It F up them kill somebody. And that's how countrymen feel about it. But in a country like Jamaica, what left for us to do? I'm out.